Spruce needles have 5 times the level of vitamin C than lemons. We don't need lemons, we have spruce. I'm back in my happy place. I am in Yarmouth. I'm here for the next couple of days. I've visited in summer and then autumn, and now I am back for winter, and I can't wait to share everything with you. We popped into Sip Cafe for a little bit of an afternoon treat. There are over 120 different types of tea here. So it was very overwhelming, but finally I decided on this cold day I would warm myself up with some Caribbean punch. It's like coconutty, there's coconut in it, hibiscus. It's really good. It's almost like a rum punch with the rum. Almost as good. And we couldn't pass by Old World Bakery without stopping in for some of their sandwich rolls. Just left the store next door, so it is a gift shop in Yarmouth that is focused on employing people with disabilities and also recycling wherever possible. And one of the things it's most famous for is recycling hockey sticks into different furniture and clocks and tables, and you name it, they will do it. What is amazing about this is that actually Canadian Tire and Cleves will send them discontinued hockey sticks or broken ones, and so they then can turn that around into these fantastic pieces. The True by Hilton just opened and it looks fantastic. I loved these little pods so much I worked in them for a bit, and the slide at the pool looks so much fun. Popped in next door to Winners, and I wasn't expecting much because it's next to the gas station and convenience store, but it was so surprising. Look how many scallops we got, and they were cooked perfectly. Couldn't pass up popping into Tuscan Falls Brewing for an after-dinner flight, but we couldn't stay long because we were headed out to Deep Eye Sky Observatory. Did you know Yarmouth and Acadian shores have some of the darkest skies in North America? It was so incredibly beautiful. You can stay here overnight in a cabin in the winter, and in the summer they have domes where you can sleep under the stars. It is gorgeous out here and a must visit. Good morning, I'm at Cape Forchu on a winter's day to give you a preview. In late spring, you're going to be able to actually climb to the top of the lighthouse, which has an amazing view. I'm going to try it this morning. It's about 20 to 30 minutes. Whew, it's going to be an interesting morning. To the top, 77 steps, easier than I thought it would be. It's a spiral staircase, and as you go up, it gets wider, and there are also a number of windows that you can look out so you can see how high you go. But listen, this view is amazing. Look at this view. It's like a drone view, and it would be amazing at sunset. We are at Arcadia Consolidated School. It's closed, however, it is the home of the Tikpok Trail. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. We are on Acadia First Nations land, and this is an interpretive trail, 15-20 minutes max, And if you see the school behind me, on the other side of the parking lot is the start of the trail. You just kind of go down the hill. There is no sign, but if you go down the hill, you will see the trail. I am so excited. We are at Honeybees. So my very first trip to Yarmouth, I came here for the bubble tea. It was amazing, but also meeting Sonia from here was incredible. And since then, they now serve sushi. So I am here for lunch for sushi and I can't wait. And also we're probably gonna get some bubble tea. At Honeybees, and when she told me she was now making sushi, I did not realize, like, she has 2 pages of menu. She is really doing sushi. She said to me when she does something, she does it all the way. I believe her. For lunch, she recommends the bento lunch special, so I think we are going to split a bento box. But there are so many things I want to try here. Korean fried chicken, sushi, maki, lots of vegetarians, udon noodles, or teriyaki, or tempura. It's so hard. So this is a warm roll. I don't normally like cream cheese in my roll, but it's warm, creamy, sweet, crab. It is so good. So good. Fish katsu is so fresh. The batter is so light. Oh, it's amazing. With Yarmouth's fresh fish and Sonia's experience, this may be the best sushi restaurant in Nova Scotia. And with that amazing lunch, I am leaving Yarmouth. But I'm back in 2 weeks, so let me know, where should I go?